YouTube. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Maxton Designs side skirts on a Audi B9 S5. So the thing I like about Maxton Designs products, all of their products are UV coated to protect it from fade or from the sunlight over time, and when they ship it out to you, they wrap it in a clear film so that way while you're installing it you don't accidentally scratch it up. The side skirts come with self-tapping screws, so some of the tools I'll be using is a right angle drill attachment along with a 5/16 socket and some double side molding tape. So I just aligned the side skirts onto the car. So the part where the logo is, that's going to be facing the front of the car. So right now I'm just lining up the side skirts just to mark potential spots where I can put the self-tapping screws. So if you look at the side skirts, there's little grooves in them, so that way it fits perfectly underneath the car. So if you look underneath the car too, there's little grooves in there right there. So for example, this groove right here on the side skirt will fit in the groove of the car right here like that. So I'm just lining it up right now and then just putting some painter's tape just to mark areas underneath the side skirt where I can potentially put a self-tapping screw. I'm marking spots just so that way I don't accidentally drill through the side blade right here. I guess you can drill through the side blade, but I don't want to make any holes in it just in case I sell the car later on, because the holes will be there permanently. So now I'm going to clean underneath the car because I plan on putting double-sided tape on the side skirts. So by cleaning underneath the car, it helps. So by cleaning underneath the car, it helps the side skirts adhere better. So I pre-marked and drilled all the holes on the driver's side of the side skirts. The Maxton Design side skirts, it comes with 20 self-tapping screws, so it's going to be 10 on each side. So I also marked and pre-drilled the passenger side while I was at it as well. So after doing the driver's side of the side skirt, I found that the best place to place the 3M tape where it's not visible is right below the line. So there's a groove on each end, a long groove. So if you place a double-sided tape right where that line is, then you won't see it. So here's the other end as well. So I place a double-sided tape right up to that line right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the self-tapping screws in first, and then afterwards, so I peeled off the backing of the 3M molding tape. So after I install the self-tapping screws, I'm going to peel back the rest of the 3M adhesive molding tape and then just stick it on. If you enjoy these videos, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.